Hi students, so myself Dr. B. Ranganath, I am chemistry lecturer. So my channel is Dr. B. Ranganathan, IIT JEE NEET Academy. Students, last I am discussing about NEET 2020 target. In previous analysis for NEET 19, how many marks for cutoff? So how many colleges are present in India for government medical colleges, and next cutoff marks. So today we are going to discuss about planning for NEET 2020. So what is the action of plan in 2020? So before going to planning, so first we must know about the paper analysis for last 3 years. So I am taking only 3 years to see the paper analysis. So one is some chapter name is some basics concept of chemistry. So year 2015, 2016, 2017 and maths weightage. So in 2016 conducted 2 times. Actually one is for means again conducted 2016. Okay, 2 papers. So I am given only 2016 one paper. Okay, first chapter is some basics concept of chemistry. So how many questions in 2015? 0. 2016 1, 17 1. So total expected 0 to 12 marks in this chapter. And second chapter is atomic structure. So 2015 2, 16 1, 17 2 questions. So it is expected from 4 to 12 questions. So in this chapter means to 4 to 12 marks, not questions, 4 to 12 marks expected. So chemical equilibrium, in this chemical equilibrium chapter 2015 1, 2016 1, 2017, so continuously asking in this chapter. So 4 marks, expected marks are 4 marks for in this chapter. So next fourth unit is ionic equilibrium. So 1 4 1 means so 4 to 16 marks, 4 to 16 marks. To observe this is the very important chapter. So 4 to 16 marks. So next thermodynamics and thermochemistry. Here also this chapter 2015 2, 16 1 and 2017 2 means 4 to 8 marks in this chapter, thermodynamics and thermochemistry. Next redox reactions 0 1 0 4 to 8. States of matter 1 1 1 4. So 4 marks are expected. So states of matter. Next periodic table 1 0 1. So total 4 marks. So next chemical bonding 3 in 2015, 2016 2, 2017 4. So 8 to 20. This is also one of the important chapter, major chapter. Okay, nearly 8 to 20 marks are asking only in chemical bonding. Hydrocarbon and its compounds 0 is so there is no question in 2015, 16 1, 17 0. So 4 marks expected. S block also same. 2015 2, 2016 0, 2017 2, 0 to 8 marks. And next 12th chapter, nomenclature of organic compounds, IUPAC nomenclature. How many questions are asking in 2015? 0, 16 also 0, 17 1. So expected marks are 0 to 4 marks. Isomerism 0 0 0, 0 to 4. So here these are very less. Questions, number of questions are asking in this 2 chapters. Keep it in mind these 2 chapters. So GOC, general organic chemistry, 3 questions from 2015 1 1. So 14 to 16. This is also major chapter, general organic chemistry. Okay, next reaction mechanism 1 0 0, 0 to 4 marks. And next hydrocarbon. So it is also major from 4 to 12 marks. Here 2015 2 questions, 16 1, 17 1. So hydrocarbon also major. And next environmental chemistry 0 0 1, 0 to 4 marks. Solid state 1 0 1, 0 to 4 marks. Chemical kinetics 2015 2 questions, 16 1, 17 2, 0 to 8. Solutions 2 2 2 2. So 4 to 12 marks means it is also very important chapter solution. Electrochemistry every year asking 1 1 1, 4 to 16. So next 22 chapter surface chemistry. Surface chemistry every year asking 1 1 question means 0 to 8 marks. So P block elements 1 2 3. So it is also very important. P block means third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth means eighth groups up to means 18th group. So 1, 2, 3. So 0 to 12 marks. So transition elements 6, 0, 1. So 6 question from only 2015 in transition element. Transition elements means D and F block elements. D and F block elements 0 to 24 questions. It is very major chapter. So coordination chemistry 2, 4, 2. So it is also 4 to 16. It is also most important chapter, coordination chemistry. So metallurgy, every year asking every year is asking question. So 1, 1, 1. Haloalkanes, haloarenes 1. In 2016 number of 5 questions. 2017 4 questions. From here this chapter only 0 to 20 marks. Here also very important chapter. Keep it in mind, student. So alcohols, phenols, ethers 2, 3, 2, 8 to 12 marks. So it is also major chapters, most important chapters, students. This one also most important. Aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid 2015 to 16 3, 17 1 and 4 to 12 marks. Nitrogen in its compounds means amino acids 1, 3, 2. It is also very important chapter, amino acids. Biomolecules and polymers also important chapter 2, 3 to 8 to 16 marks. Chemistry in everyday life 1, 2, 2. So it is also very important chapter. So 4 to 12. This is the question paper analysis from last 3 years. So next, what is the action of plan? Okay, in NEET 2020. So in this total 31 chapters, how many topics are most important? I am divided 3 categories. So one is category A. In the category A, most important topics are chemical bonding, GOC, electrochemistry, haloalkanes and haloarenes, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. So in these 5 chapters, each chapter asking 3 questions. Each chapter asking 3 questions. Total 15 questions. Students, so observe it, 35% number of 35% questions are asking only in these 5 chapters. So it is a very important chapters. So in chemical bonding, so which topics are important? In chemical bonding, mainly VSEPR theory, MOT, molecular orbital theory, isoelectronic species, next isoelectronic species and dipole moment concept. So like that, these are the very important topics in chemical bonding. GOC. In GOC, electron displacement effects means inductive effect, mesomeric effect, resonance effect, next hyperconjugation, so acidic strength, and next basic strength. So these are mostly important chapters. So next in this chapter, these are in electrochemistry. Which type of questions are asking in electrochemistry? So in electrochemistry, mainly based upon Faraday law. So Faraday based upon Faraday law problem, Nernst equation based upon Nernst equation problem, Faraday equation problem. Student, sometimes asking directly molar conductivity, and next equivalent conductivity. So based upon these topics in electrochemistry. And next, haloalkenes, haloarenes. So these are very important chapters, students. In haloalkenes mainly based upon SN1 SN2 reaction, this type based upon this one. And next E1 E2 mechanism, E1CB based upon E1CB. These are very important. So E1 E1 E1CB mechanism. So in ring expansion questions, ring contraction questions, so like that, this type of topics are important in haloalkenes and haloarenes. Next, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. So what are the important topics for aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid? So in the chapter, every named reaction is very important, students. So practice the every named reaction and its mechanism also, based upon this one. Okay, so aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. And next, category B. So I am divided category B. So there are means 11 chapters, students. In this 11 chapter, atomic structure, ionic equilibrium, biomolecules and polymers, coordination compounds, P block. So total 11 chapters. Each chapter asking 2 questions. So definitely, students. So how many questions? Total 20 questions, 22 questions asking in these 11 chapters. So D and F block elements, alcohols, ethers and phenols, chemistry in everyday life, hydrocarbons and thermodynamics, amines. So what are the important topics for mainly in atomic structure based upon the for example quantum numbers, based upon quantum numbers, Bohr's theory, Bohr's theory, de Broglie theory, concept problems. So these are very, very important. Hydrogen spectrum, asking for this based upon hydrogen spectrum problems. So keep it in mind, student. In ionic equilibrium, so what are the important topics? So by calculation of pH, degree of ionization, degree of dissociation constant problems, degree of ionization. So based upon this one, ionic equilibrium. Biomolecules and polymers. So these are direct questions from NCERT, students. So keep it in mind, read carefully biomolecules and polymers in NCERT. Coordination compounds. So what are the important topics for coordination compounds? Mainly isomerism. So how many isomers are possible for a given complex? That type of questions are so repeatedly asking based upon this one. How many isomers are possible for given complex? So our simple question, what is the IUPAC name of given complex? So that type of questions may mainly based upon. And next, P block elements also direct questions from NCERT. And next, D and F block elements, these are direct questions based upon the oxidation states. So means acidic strength concept, paramagnetic or diamagnetic, magnetic moment calculations. So next, alcohols, ethers and phenols. So in this chapter means Lucas test based upon the Victor-Meyer test. What is the differentiate between the alcohols? Which test is differentiated by alcohols? That type of questions in alcohols, ethers and phenols. Chemistry in everyday life. Read point to point, means read line to line in NCERT. Hydrocarbons also. Thermodynamics based upon Hess's extensive properties, intensive properties, Hess law problems. Okay. And next, amines. So amines, in this amines also Hinsberg reagent. So some type of topics. And next, category C. What are the important chapters for category C? So states of matter, solid state, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, S block, metallurgy, solutions, redox reactions, isomerism, nomenclature. So in this total 10 chapters, only asking 8 questions. Students, they already observe the paper analysis. So paper analysis, isomerism and nomenclature is very less number of questions asking in this chapter. Reaction mechanism also same. So metallurgy is very important. Surface chemistry. So every year asking solid state and this one. So remaining all are less content. Okay. So these are most important topics. And next, so what is the plan of action? So how to get 180 out of 180 in NEET 2020? Okay. So what is the plan of action? Divide the basics. So every subject, whether it is chemistry, not only chemistry, physics, maths also, divide the basics and derivation and application. So what are the basics? So read carefully for every chapter in basics. That is the most important, because of 25% questions came from only basics level. Why? Because of these are direct questions like inorganic chemistry. So in inorganic chemistry from NCERT only. So what is the advantage of inorganic chemistry? So it is time. What is the advantage of inorganic chemistry, students? Time saving process. Time saving in examination. So direct questions. That's why it is time saving in organic chemistry. Derivation 50% questions are asking based upon derivation only. So it is very, very important. Applications 65% came from only applications. So depending upon your knowledge. Okay, not directly asking, all are indirectly asking questions. Applications. Okay, for example, compared to inorganic chemistry, so which one is more ionization energy? which one is more electronegativity, not that type of, it is indirectly asking. So application knowledge. So next, so how to plan. NCERT means, students keep it mind, NCERT is read carefully. 70 to 75% only came from NCERT because of it is a government prescribed book. So that's why concentrate more and more in NCERT first. So what are the next plan? Learn all logical and conceptual chapters first. For example, basics of every chapter. So how, without basic you can't do anything for every chapter. So that's why first learn basics level for every chapter. Okay, for example, hydrocarbons, alcohols, ethers, phenols, aldehydes and ketones, nitrogen containing compounds. So what are hydrocarbons? So what are the nomenclature? So how many types of hydrocarbons? So like that, these basics. So alcohols, ethers, phenols, aldehydes, ketones, nitrogen compound. So learn all named reactions. So keep it mind students, very important. In every chapter from organic chemistry, read carefully for all the means every named reactions. For example, aldol, Kenizero, Stephen, Swarat reactions. So many. So Riemer-Tiemer reaction, that type of named reactions. So read, not only read and practice. Read and practice. 3 to 4 times practice every named reactions. Mechanism also. Okay, mechanism also practice it. So learn all named reactions. Keep in mind students, don't forget that one in organic chemistry. Without practice we can't do anything for organic. Only by practice. Practice makes man perfect. So it will prove the organic chemistry. Okay, so next, environmental chemistry. To observe these 3 topics, environmental chemistry, chemistry in everyday life, biomolecules. Students, in NCERT textbook, these chapters read carefully from every point in line to line and note it. Create your own notes by underlining the points in every point. Which one is important, that one is underlined it. That is highlight it. So read line to line from NCERT because of direct questions asking from in these 3 chapters. So next plan is do all text and in-text questions. So where is in text and in-text questions? To observe this NCERT textbook students, after every topic some box is given, small box or big box. So some questions are also solving, some questions are given in box. So don't forget this box questions, text and in-text questions in NCERT textbook. Okay, so read inorganic chemistry from NCERT only. So it is very important, most important one. Keep it mind students. And so inorganic chemistry only reading, only from NCERT textbook. So that's why read carefully from line to line inorganic chemistry by 3 to 4 times. So okay, that is the inorganic chemistry from NCERT only. Solve previous, this is the most important. Solve previous year question papers for last 10 years from 2010 to 2020 means 19. Okay, so means NEET questions, aims from local state medical test, medical entrance test like that. So JIPMER, so that type of questions are practice it. It is very important student first, because of practicing last previous questions, you can confidence level is increases. So that's why practice last 10 years question papers. So read NCERT first, 70 to 75% or 80% sometimes asking only from NCERT. So other stand books are 20%. So what is the 20%? For example, and to observe this isomerism topic. In isomerism topic in NCERT only conformational isomerism. I think conformational isomerisms are given. But after conformational isomerism, there is no giving for other topics. So sometimes that one asking also. For example, RS nomenclature. What is the RS nomenclature? So okay. So how many isomers are possible? So like that, this type of questions are asking only. Okay, next this type of next practice mock test. We can practice only full text paper students. because of, so for example total full test paper is practiced by 2.5 hours. So after saving we can easily focus on mainly 3 hours program. So you can practice 2.5 hours means saving for 30 means you can easily and main examination. Okay, so that's why don't fear about in 3 hours a main examination. Okay, so that's why you can practice best, try to best in 2.5 hours completion of every unit is completed by, it means every test is completed 2.5 hours. Okay students, so best of luck for every NEET students, all the best. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel student Dr. B. Ranganathan, IIT JEE NEET Academy.